Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on the device. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, and for me the option is on the second page of the notifications. You can see right here, screen recorder, so you can tap on it from here and it automatically starts recording. As you can not see anymore, but it is faded in here, still visible, 7, 8 seconds, 9. It basically records everything I do on the device right now, so you can do whatever you want, and once you're done, you tap on this, it saves it, and then you can actually view it from here. So let's just allow and play, and you will see right now that the screen should start moving. There we go. Now the frame rate of it isn't necessarily the greatest. It doesn't record it at like super high frame rate. It, I guess, does it to preserve on space, but still, anyway, if you want to record anything that you're doing on your phone. But if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.